Introducing the Lenovo Android Emulator, a lightweight and reliable option for running Android apps on your PC. Designed for low-end systems, this emulator provides a smooth experience without consuming too many resources. With minimum requirements of just an Intel Core i3 processor, 2 GB of RAM and 4 GB of storage, it's an excellent choice for users who need a simple, efficient, and hassle-free emulator. If you're looking for an easy-to-use emulator that won't slow down your PC, Lenovo Android Emulator is worth trying. Next up is SmartGaGa, an emulator built for performance and optimized for gaming. With enhanced OpenGL and DirectX 3D rendering, it delivers stunning visuals even on low-end systems. SmartGaGa lets you run multiple accounts simultaneously, making it perfect for gamers who want to multitask or manage different game profiles at the same time. Experience fast gameplay, high frame rates, and smooth performance, all while using minimal system resources. If you're a gamer looking for a lightweight and high-speed Android emulator, SmartGaGa is the way to go. At number 3 we have Nox Player, a powerful emulator now running on Android 9 for improved app compatibility and performance. Nox Player is designed to provide a stable and smooth gaming experience. With multi-instances you can run multiple games or apps at once, maximizing efficiency. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, Nox Player makes it easy to get started with an intuitive interface and optimized performance. If you want an Android emulator that balances power, speed, and usability, Nox Player is a great option. Coming in at number 2 is LD Player, one of the lightest Android emulators available today. LD Player is designed for efficiency, using less CPU and GPU power while still delivering high-speed performance. Whether you're gaming or testing apps, LD Player provides a smooth and stable experience without overheating your PC. If you're looking for a fast, low-resource emulator that still packs a punch, LD Player is a perfect choice. Finally, at number 1 we have BlueStacks, the most feature-packed Android emulator on the market. With advanced keyboard and mouse controls, multi-instance gaming, and up to 240 FPS gameplay, BlueStacks offers an unparalleled experience for mobile gamers. It's also the only emulator with cloud gaming integration, making it even more powerful. While it's slightly heavier than the other emulators on this list, BlueStacks remains the best all-around choice, combining performance, features, and customization. If you want the ultimate Android emulator experience, BlueStacks is the one to beat. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 lightweight Android emulators for 2025. Which emulator do you use, or is there another one you'd recommend? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.